Hey guys, what's happening? Charles and Chargers back, and favorite mail day of the month. Got the rookie card explosion box. This is volume 23. Another nice lineup. I will get right into it here. I rip this bad boy, and then I got to head off to work, so I'll jump right into it. There's our lineup. 93 Series 1 Tops, 2014 Tops Update, 2016 Tops Series 1, 2018 Heritage High Number, 2018 Series 1, 2018 Update, 2020 Bowman, 2020 Chrome, 2020 Opening Day, 2020 Series 1, and 2020 Update, which will be my first pack of Update I've opened. I refused to pay the high price, and I'm glad I did. Blowout's already got the jumbo boxes for $100 less than what they did for pre-order. I will end up getting a jumbo box, but I'm going to let the price drop again before I get one. In fact, I'll probably wait till like the Black Friday sales or something like that and snag one. I don't even know what time the Topps Bowman first draft went on sale today. I woke up and it was already gone, so missed out on that as usual. I've pretty much given up trying to get anything from Topps in terms of stuff going on sale like that. And the Prism football, I'd love to rip a box, but there's no way. I'll just pick up a couple singles off of eBay or something. I'm not paying $1,000 a box. All right, let's get into it here. Enough rambling. We know we got a good product here. Starting off with 93 Topps Series 1. Looking for the Jeter. Okay. Moises Alou, Rookie Cup. Mike Perez. Kyle Abbott. Barry Larkin. Dennis Cook. Our gold is Spike Owen. I actually remember him. Felix Jose. 92 draft pick, Todd Steverson. Andy Stankiewicz. Hey, NYPD Blue. Tom Goodwin. Hey, Roger Clemens, cool. Sean Lowe. Herm Winningham. Wally Joyner. And Cal Ripken. And I'm an idiot. NYPD Blue is Sipwitz, not Stankiewicz. And I'm not good with editing, so you get to know how much of an idiot I am. All right, 2014. All right, Jordan Schaefer. We're looking for Betts, DeGrom, Springer, Eugenio Suarez, and Jorge Polanco. Tyler Skaggs. Rossi, Grandpa Rossi. Chris Coughlin. King Felix, All-Star. Not numbered. Pretty cool, though. Masahiro Tanaka, debut. Oh, cool. Mookie Betts, rookie debut. Very cool. Jace Peterson. Jonathan Diaz. And Jorge Polanco. All right. So we got the Polanco rookie and the Betts rookie debut. I'll take that. All right, 2016 Topps. Seager, Marte, Conforto, Schwarber, Sano. Koji Uehara. Hey, KB, Future Stars. Mike Moustakas. World Series highlight. Washington Nationals team card. Got the Doc Gooden throwback. Ryan Braun foil. Brandon McCarthy. Alexei Ramirez. Curtis Granderson. That's a cool photo. And Chad Bettis. Okay, 18 Heritage High number. Soto, Acuna, Torres, Ohtani, Austin Meadows. All right, Shane Carl. There we go. There we go. Gleyber Torres. Awesome. Tyler Chatwood. Tommy La Stella. Todd Frazier. Ryan Yarbrough. Steve Cishek. Lucas Duda. And Keone Kela. All right, so we got the Gleyber out of that one. Very cool. 2018 Series 1. Devers, Buehler, Albies, Flaherty, Verdugo, Robles, Andahar. Nice little list of names there. All right, Trumbo, Betances, Eric Fetty, Chris Sale, KB, Tim Anderson, excellent hitter. Orioles team card, Justin Turner, league leader, Ian Kennedy, and Justin Smoke. All right, 18 update. Soto, Acuna, Torres, Ohtani, Bieber, Bregman, Archie Bradley. Oh, man, yes. Got the Acuna. Got the Acuna. Matt Kemp, Jordan Hicks. That's Chipper Jones. Miles Mikolas. Max Muncy. Sungwon Oh. And Bartolo Colon. Man. All right, 2020 Bowman. Dominguez, Bobby Witt, Pawson, Byron Laura, Anthony Volpe. Okay. Zach Collins, Adrian Morjan, Seth Brown, Dalton Varsho, top 100, Jazz Chisholm, John Diaz, Estevan Florial. That's not bad. Gerard Encarnacion, Chrome, Miguel Vargas, Chrome, Nick Solak, Mauricio Dubon, and Michael Baez. That wasn't a bad pack. That wasn't a bad pack at all. All right, 2020 Chrome. Robert Bichette, Alvarez, Rosarina, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux. Got Hunter Dozier, Michael Baez, Buster Posey, and Future Stars Michael Chavis. Opening day is the Luis Robert short print. Chris Paddock, Aaron Judge, Yohan Moncada, Michael Chavis, Zach Greinke, and the Padres. All right, last two. 2020 Series 1, Bichette, Alvarez, Lewis, Lux, Rosarina, and Grisham. All right, Luke Jackson, Mike Tauchman, David Price, Roman Quinn, Matthew Boyd, Dansby Swanson, Seth Brown, rookie. John Lester. Charlie Culberson. Jackie Bradley Jr. Ian Kennedy. Nice Eloy Rookie Cup foil. Take that. JT Riddle. And Shane Bieber. All right. 2020 update. Rosarina and Grisham. Yelich All-Star Game. Francisco Cervelli. Arenado All-Star. Ulis Chassin. Mark McGuire. Albert Pujols. Grayson Grenier. Kerry Mella. Joey Votto. Clark Schmidt, #1 prospect. Justin Verlander. Felix Pena. Drew Smiley. And Mike Trout. All right, so we got we did good this month. Go back through here. Set that Eloy out. There's one of the big boys right there. The Acuna. I will be getting these sleeved up pretty quick here. Gleyber Torres. Jorge Polanco. Mookie Betts. It's the rookie debut, but it's a Betts. Tanaka. Felix. Then just some guys I keep for PC or whatever. So, guys, that was the Rookie Explosion Box Volume 23. And pretty happy with it this month. I got a couple of nice ones here, so pretty happy with that. Thanks again for Filmington for putting this together, and it's always a fun rip. Favorite mail day of the month. And that's all I got for this one, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.